Hey here, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about Shopify marketing. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify, then you should focus on marketing. And today I am going to talk about how you can start step by step to bring traffic at your Shopify online store and convert them into customers. So, these tutorials will be very helpful if you are very beginner and if you just started your online business with Shopify. Okay, I hope you already completed designing your Shopify store by watching my free Shopify store design tutorials because I have shared already a lot of full Shopify store design course in my YouTube channel. And now your next step is to start marketing. So when you think about marketing, you should know about the basic fundamental of marketing. Actually, we are talking about digital marketing and online marketing. So what is the digital marketing or online marketing? Online marketing means start marketing any product or service using online platform like Facebook, Google, YouTube, TikTok, email. But the question is that you don't know how to start your marketing plan and how you should go. So today I'm going to share a basic step-by-step guideline that will be very helpful for you. First of all, you have to start SEO on your Shopify online store. You should finish all the on-page SEO checklist, and you can do it by watching my SEO full course in my YouTube channel. You can check my SEO full course in my YouTube channel playlist. Then you should start working on social media marketing. And on the social media marketing, you should focus on the Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And then you should start creating engaging content, especially video content like short form of video. Now your question is that how you can create short form of video. This is super easy right now. You can do it by using AI tools and you can do it by using Canva, because Canva have a lot of ready video template and element that you can use to create short form of video. Then you should start uploading or sharing this video in the social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And of course, you should work continuously to get more engagement by this platform and reach more target audience. So you should continue post on your social media platform. Then you should start paid campaign, and for paid campaign you can use TikTok because TikTok is booming right now. Also you should try Facebook, Instagram, and Google because Google have a lot of customers than any other platform. So you can think about also Google. And after that, you will get a lot of customers data in your store, and you can collect all the data in your database or customer collection list. And for that, you can use email marketing tools. And for email marketing, you can use Claravio or MailChimp. And when you have a lot of customers email in your email marketing list, then you should start email marketing. And email marketing is very effective because you can contact directly with your target customer. So I hope you understand the basic fundamental of Shopify marketing. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify SEO or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.